This is John. I'm over here at Evergreen Cemetery. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. It's June the 4th, 2026. There's thousands of people buried over here, but I'm just here for one of them. I'm not going to mention any names for privacy reasons. This was, if you were here in 2015, if you lived here in Chester, you remember the story. If you lived in New York or even London, England, you may remember the story. This is the grave of an 11-year-old child. He and his sister were on the way to school one morning to catch the bus, and a hit-and-run driver ran up on him, and this 11-year-old ran to push his 7-year-old sister out of the way, and he was hit in the process and later died. His mother, a very brave lady, decided to donate his organs, and because of that, 8 more children are alive today, and 75 others benefited. I'm trying to get a gravestone for the child. This one didn't last long. I'm trying to get a grave one for him, but I can't do it. Nobody knows me. So what I've done over the years is I've approached both city councils, Chester City and Chester County, in hopes they would step up to do a private fundraiser and raise the money needed to purchase this child a gravestone. Like I say, I've been at this for years and no one stepped up. Reporters don't seem to want to do the story, so I just picked up this camcorder and came out here. I'm going to tell you the story, and you decide what should be done. Again, this is Evergreen, and you can see there are literally thousands of people buried here. Thousands. And what's disturbing to me as well is this place right here. It's open field, just like an overgrown open field. But the reason it's overgrown is it hides a secret. 2018, City of Chester didn't have any money to pay county garbage fees, so they brought it over here and they dumped it in this field. And since that time, it's overgrown. You can't see it. It was reported to DES January of 2025, and they said they wrote the city of Chester a letter to clean this up, which would have been February of 2025. So here we are in June of 2026, and no one's done anything, even though they know about it. I just wanted you to know what's going on here, and few people are buried over here, or buried in Mount Hebron, which is a cemetery on the other side of this. It's an African American cemetery. If they're buried there, then you've unknowingly buried your loved ones next door to a trash dump. And how you react to that, react non-violently, but you can speak out and keep speaking out until this situation changes. And may God bless you for it. Thank you for the listen.